Hello guys, welcome to my data science series using Python. Today in this video I am going to discuss my NSEM paper of data science. Here are following question. Let's discuss this. So this is a case study, question number 8, which consists of 9 question. We have to answer this. So then I will cover this topic in 3 parts. Let's study this. In the field of data science, unstructured data such as text data plays a crucial role in understanding and extracting insight. One of the application of data science is analyzing text-based complaints and automating the classification of these complaints into predefined categories. This case study revolves around using text mining technique to analyze a complaint about a theft and applying suitable algorithm to identify the appropriate legal section under IPC and BNS section for improving process of classifying complaint into relevant legal categories under the IPC or BNS. It's essential to analyze unstructured text data. This is our following sample complaint: theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 220. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. Then processing for each such complaint with automatic recommendation, design a system to help legal professional efficiently process large volume of complaint and accurately identify the legal section applicable to each case. By applying text mining and data science technique, the design goal need to explore how the automation of complete classification can streamline the legal decision making. The system is expected to do following tasks by automated system. These are following tasks. Now, based on the above concept and object, now answer following question. So there are following question in this video. We will discuss only 3 question, and other 6 video will be discussed in next 2 parts. So let's read this question. How can unstructured data such as text from written complaint be analyzed in the context of data science? And provides a detailed example of data mining activity that could be employed to analyze this unstructured text data. Now let's discuss the answer. Here, this is the answer how unstructured data is analyzed. What does it mean? Analyze unstructured data means extract meaningful information from unstructured data. Now, unstructured data such as text, maybe images, large amount of data that can be unstructured. So here we have unstructured data, that is text data from written complaints, which is challenging to analyze because it lacks a predefined structure like spreadsheet or databases. Then in the field of data science, unstructured data can be processed or analyzed by using text mining techniques and natural language processing techniques. Now we have an example of data mining activity which analyze unstructured data would be sentiment analysis or topic modeling. Here, topic modeling means underlying topic models and sentiment analysis. That analysis is positive, negative, or neutral. For an example, in the context of complaint, text mining could be applied to extract key information such as the type of crime, date, location, description of the incident. So now what happened in text mining? In text mining activity, we classify our text, we tokenize our text, and here what we do, we use we took first step with tokenization. Then in tokenization we split our phrases into words, and second step is part of speech tagging, name entity recognition, and text classification that can be used to break down and categorize the complaint data into relevant components for further analysis. Now here we have an example. If the complaint contains phrases like stolen pan and MG road, text mining can identify the entities, example mobile phone and MG road, that classify the complaint under a theft category. And here mobile phone is a property crime. Now we will discuss about second question, which is how many text mining techniques we apply to automate the classification of written complaints. The answer of this question is, let's see the answer. Here we will see how to automate complaint classification. Here the answer is the text mining techniques that can automate the classification of written complaint. We can use machine learning and natural language processing method. In this, we can train a model on a labeled dataset of complaints. This model learns to classify new unseen complaints into predefined categories. Here, there are following steps which is involved in the process. That is, first is text processing. In this, we tokenize our text and removing stop words and use spamming and lemmatization techniques. Second step is feature extraction, where we extract meaningful information or data such as thumb frequency, inverse document frequency, or bird embedding from our data. Third step is topic modeling, which is model training. In this, we use supervised machine learning algorithm like support vector machine, naive Bayes, or random forest to train a classifier. The last step is model evaluation, in which we evaluate the classified performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This improve our model performance. So here these techniques such as NLTK, that is Natural Language Toolkit, SPACY, and TensorFlow, which are commonly used for text mining and complaint classification. Now we will see the answer of our third question. Here, what does question third say? Here we have to discuss specific method or technologies that facilitate the automatic classification of complaints such as natural language processing, text classifying algorithm, and machine learning model. Now let's see the answer of the question number third. Now let's see the specific method that automate classification of our complaints such as natural language processing, text classification algorithm. This is a text classification algorithm. And third is machine learning model. Now look at this. Here, what is natural language processing? Natural language processing is a method, or we can say that it is a technique that analyzes and processes our unstructured text input, maybe text data from police complaint. What does it do? It extract meaningful information and relevant information, including type of crime, victim, offender, and location. Then after that, it categorizes the extracted information for further processing. Now we have some text classification algorithm, which is text cleaning, text normalization, name entity recognition, keyword extraction. Now look at here. What is text cleaning? In text cleaning, we remove of punctuation marks, proposition, special characters, and also remove unnecessary information from our text data. Second is text normalization. What does it mean? It means we convert our uppercase into lowercase, stemming lemmatization. That means convert our phrases or word into their root forms. Third is name entity recognize. Here we have recognize the entity of our name. For an example, we have an entity that which is a crime. We have an entity mobile. What is this? It is a stolen item. So here we can identify and tagging of entities like individual, locations, and organization. Fourth is keyword extraction. Now we can identify relevant terms related to the complaint's nature and potential IPC section. Now third point is machine learning model. Machine learning model is of two types: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, we will study classification model and deep learning model. In classification model, following things comes, that is naive Bayes, support vector machine, random forest. What is naive for? It is for efficient text classification with large data set. Here, logistical regression provides interpretable results regarding which features influence IPC section selection. Here, there is also a method, support vector machine, which handle high dimensional data and offers good generalization performance. And also random forest, that is effective for identifying important features and handling complex nonlinear relationship. Multi-level classification allow us for assigning multiple IPC section to a single complaint based on its content. Now we will discuss deep learning model, which is recurrent neural network and convolutional neural network. In this, we capture the sequential nature of text and long-term dependency. Or here in conventional neural network, we extract features or information from text data effectively, especially with word embeddings. So this is the answer of our question number third. Now we will see next question in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.